Hi friends, Christine McKinley here with the Real Estate Chicks coming to you with this week's deal of the week. I love this house for many reasons. First of all, this is technically Altamonte Springs. People sleep on Altamonte Springs. Altamonte Springs is coming up, in my opinion. It's not that it's been down by any means, but for some reason people just overlook Altamonte Springs. I think that Altamonte Springs is a really good place for people that cannot get into Maitland. They are so close together. Altamonte sometimes is just on the other side of I-4, but sometimes it's on the east side of I-4, which is everyone would think is Maitland. So I'm going to show you, I love a plain house. If this is a first-time home for you or this is a rental, I love a plain house. Now, I don't know how old this roof is. That would be the only thing. But this house has already been on the market for 25 days. And look, we love a plain house. We love a house where there's limited things that can go wrong. This has everything that you need already. No, it's not stunning, beautiful, but it is white walls. It is plain tile. It is a plain kitchen. We love it. We absolutely love to see it. There's stainless steel, fridge. You know, maybe you want to get fancy and put a stainless steel stove in there, add a little microwave. But honestly, this is fantastic. We love a plain, nice, well taken care of house. And let me show you. So it also has washer and dryer, has a really nice screened-in patio, and it has a great backyard. We love a plain house. This is amazing. This is perfect. If you're a first-time home buyer or you're an investor, I would jump on this right now. And also, let me show you where on the map this is, because that is quite possibly my favorite part of this. Do not hit tour with a buyer's agent, okay? Do not hit tour with buyer's agent. Okay, this is the bread and butter right here. So this is Altamonte Springs on the right side of I-4. I love this whole area. This is Maitland Avenue. This is I-4. So this takes you 5 seconds to get to I-4 from here. And this is where you jump on the express lane. So this is actually fantastic. You cannot jump on the express lane if you go down one exit or up one exit. If you get on at the Maitland Avenue entrance, you can get on the express lane, and Lord knows we love an express lane. So I love this house. I think this is fantastic. If you don't buy it, I will.